In this video, we'll show you how to adjust the display brightness and color on your Windows 11 device. To adjust the brightness, click on the Windows Start button and open Settings, click System, and then choose Display. Under Brightness and Color, move the slider bar to adjust the brightness. You can also adjust the brightness instantly by clicking on the Wi-Fi and battery icons in the bottom right corner of the screen. Turn on Nightlight to adjust the colors on your screen and reduce blue light for eye comfort. Click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Click on System and then choose Display. Turn on Nightlight. Click on it and move the slider bar next to Strength to adjust the intensity of the blue light. You can also turn on Schedule Nightlight and either select Sunset to Sunrise or choose Set Hours to enter custom times. Make sure to subscribe and check out the other videos on our channel for more Dell support tutorials.